Welcome to Azerbaijan.
And we found really a very rich surface of the land in here, the rocks with different minerals, different colors. It's all natural, organic, really stunning scenery here. We can even give this place number 4 is literally a 5-star hiking environment. Initially we planned to go to Gabala, right? Then when we reached a point where the National Border Services denied access due to some incident recently happened at the waterfall where one of the traveler literally killed himself. So we changed the plan and we moved to another place. And as usual, we're not alone. We have a group of people who also into adventurous hiking in Azerbaijan. And of course, Alvin is with us again.
Yeah, thanks.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello everyone, how are you? How are you watching this trail? That's all I do.
He's shy. Run. 5 kilometers. We're gonna go up. I can feel my heart is just like about to pop up. A pop up. This is the guy who brought us here. And apparently he's even planning to swim there, so let's see. So we stopped by here, you know, having like a picnic here and then gonna move forward up there for reaching 1700 height. Here are the mates here joining us for the tour to some Muju village, right?
Yes. Mücü Kəndi, Niyal şəlaləsine gedəcəyik. Niyal şəlaləsi.
Niyal Waterfall we are going.
Okay, so
I can translate.
then here's our beautiful natural food. Red cheese, tomato, cucumber.
Meşədə indi.
Mehman.
Neman.
Mehman.
Neman.
Neymar'dı da.
Neman.
Brezilya'da.
Yok.
So we have a Neymar here. He's
Security.
yeah, he's guarding the entire, you know, forest here, national preserve. Now it's time for him to eat as well. Very unexpected tour. We have Balash. He's hiding there. He was in our trip last time. Balash! You're gonna come back for the video, right? Take your time. So cheese, bread, and cucumber. And tomato is coming as well. Cucumber is sweet actually. And all this was just purchased on the road. So we keep moving and moving, and honestly having no idea when it's gonna end. But we are enjoying a lot. And especially after the lunch, you know, have so much energy now to burn further. And looking forward to swim. Let's see if it's gonna really happen. Azerbaijani jungle. So as you can see, everything is natural, no human touched these places, and that's why this rock looks like no one ever touched. It's literally virgin rock. And we continue. Follow us. So you know, if you look at this sample of the stone we found here, it's got different layers of the minerals. And when you turn up, look what you get here. You get green color here, and you get completely different color here. Look at this green rock. so firm and solid. You got no idea what it's made of. As you can see, you can find some wild blackberry in this area, and it's so sweet. So sweet. And you know who loves them? Bear. We haven't met any today, but there are some around here. And here is the bear! Oh no, it was just our Elvin. Elvin, we thought it's a bear who is hunting after those berries here. Past 2 more left. Alright, so we have reached Niyal Waterfall, and again there's no water basically. Very near to Niyal Mountain. And we have no idea what is that, but just know the name.
We don't know where we are.
Yeah, exactly. But at least we have internet connection. We have connection, so it's pretty good. On the way here, you saw over there were a few little waterfalls. So we're gonna go back there a little bit and refresh ourselves. To reach here was very interesting, very entertaining. Too many rocks with plants touching you all over, and thanks to some helpful people here, especially to Balash. Balash is here. Balash is our head of the emergency situation here. He's a professional in guarding and saving people. And we have a...
My name is Khan, but I'm not terrorist.
Right, his name is Omar actually.
Yeah, my real name is Umar.
Real name is Omar, but his nickname is Khan. Oh, he's very honest guy. He's got 2 wives.
Yeah.
Did you tell any of them that you're here?
Yeah, the local, she knows. But
The local, she knows?
yeah,
No, she knows that you went to Gabala, but she doesn't know you reached here.
she doesn't know I'm here.
Right, so you better give her a call and tell her. So we're having a lot of fun, and probably in another 15-20 minutes we'll try to go back, and it's going to be another challenging route. So here is our number 4 hiking tour this summer in 2021, and we reached Niyal Waterfall right next to the Niyal mountain, and we found really a very rich surface of the land in here, the rocks with different minerals, different colors, and it's all natural, organic, really stunning scenery here. And we can even give this place number 4 is literally a 5-star hiking environment. Thanks for watching, and it's pretty tough to come over here, but with the right person, you're gonna make it. Good evening, you. Stay safe and see you.